swear to God. Watch, I'm gonna change fucking... Okay, Facebook, I love you, Facebook. I love you, it's over. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to yell at you. I'm sorry, be nice. It's okay.
Post the damn status.
Oh shit. Get the fuck out of my face. You're so close. Oh my god. Oh my god. You're trying to get a boob shot? Jesus. Get out of my face! Fucking Facebook! I hate you! It's over!
Apologize right now, Missy.
No! Fuck you, Facebook! You better fucking post. I'm gonna beat your ass. Oh, that's what I fucking thought! That's what I thought! Ah! That's what I thought! I love you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to yell at you. Oh. Me and Facebook broke up, but we're back together, and the wedding's still on. Be there. February 3rd, bitch! February 3rd.